Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have a white Mack mid-roof. Nice truck. Has yellow and blue stripes on it. It has these very comfortable seats in it. It does have remote start. I'm sorry. Remote door locks. They do work. This rides nice down the road. This will be a good running truck for you. Smooth and quiet, very comfortable. These seats are nice. I love them. You'll love them too, if you bid high enough to get it. All right, guys. Here we are. We're already up to 70 miles an hour. Nice and quiet, nice and smooth. Well, happy bidding, good luck. Hope this video helps.